Here we go. If I come up with blood on the knife, I'll know I screwed up.
You won't really be able to see.
It's a square snake. Oh, heating packs, yay! I was hoping for heating packs.
We can have some articles to read.
Well, you know, they didn't want her to be bored on the way.
From Alabama.
Hello. Hello, are we in here? Wow, they sent me a nice big bag. So, that'll be cool. A nice big snake bag. I've always wanted one like this. I always use pillowcases. Hello, is there a snake in here? There is.
Oh, dude.
Hi, Chimera.
Ah.
Look at you. Can I see your face? Look, she's got a little bit on the end.
Yep.
Where you at, sweetheart?
Oh.
She's like, I am not interested in meeting you. Come out. Come out, say hi. Please.
So, no, I'm good here. Oh.
Almost. Hey, there she is. There she is.
Wow.
Look how white she is. Oh my gosh. This is so crazy. I think this would be the easiest snake in the world to see mites on, and I don't see one. Look at you.
You're so pretty.
You're so pretty. Look at that. I can't believe I'm holding a one and it belongs to me.
It's insane.
Say hi to John. Hello, John. She's just about Bobo size, maybe a little bigger.
Yeah.
I love her colors.
Mm-hmm.
And her messed up pattern on her head.
Yep.
It's exactly what I wanted. Well, that's her.
Hey.